Imagine a piece of the ocean in your living room. Fish swim gracefully. Bubbles dance in the water. A home aquarium is beautiful. It brings peace and wonder into your home. Aquariums can be easy to care for. You can learn the basics. You can enjoy the beauty of underwater life. Watching fish can be relaxing. It can reduce stress. Studies show that aquariums can lower blood pressure. They create a sense of calm. Are you ready to start? This guide will help you create your first aquarium. Let's dive in. Choosing the right fish is important. Some fish are good for beginners, others need more care. Guppies are colorful and easy to care for. They are peaceful and live well together. Tetras are another great choice. They come in many colors. They add vibrancy to your tank. Avoid large and aggressive fish as a beginner. They need more space and special care. Research each fish before you buy it. Make sure they are compatible. This will create a happy and healthy environment. Live plants are important for an aquarium. They provide oxygen for the fish. They help keep the water clean. Easy plants for beginners include Java fern and Amazon sword. They are low maintenance. They tolerate a variety of water conditions. Plants add beauty to your aquarium. They create natural hiding places for fish. This reduces stress and promotes natural behavior. When choosing plants, consider the size of your tank. Make sure they have enough space to grow. Decorations make your aquarium unique. They provide hiding places for your fish. Choose decorations that are safe for aquariums. Rocks, driftwood, and caves are great options. They create a natural and interesting environment. Avoid decorations with sharp edges. These can harm your fish. Rinse decorations before adding them to your tank. This removes any dust or debris. Remember, less is more. Too many decorations can overcrowd the tank. This can stress your fish.